welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine, and today I am doing the kind of sort of part 2 of my mom's backyard makeover. As you guys saw in the last video, I will pop in a little clip here. The yard was definitely not in the best of shape, and now that she has this beautiful patio, we want to make sure that she has some grass that looks pretty to go along with it. So the yard still is kind of a mess, so we're gonna clean up some of the boxes and things that are out there, and let's plant some grass. Today's video is sponsored by Litheli, which thank you so much, Litheli, for sponsoring this video. They sent me over some power tools, or yard tools, I guess you'd call them, so that I can clean up the yard. So I'm going to be using their lawnmower, their blower, and their power washer. So I'm going to be using all of these items to clean up the yard, and I'm going to share with you a little bit about them. Thank you so much for watching. Let's jump in. So here's the current yard situation. As you can see, we definitely need some grass, and we want to take down this old rusty thing, clean up all the boxes and trash, get rid of some of the trash behind the building, and then yeah, hopefully this yard will be back to tip-top shape. Okay, so we got our power tools. We have the lawnmower at the bottom, and then one of these is the power washer and the blower. What I loved about all of the items from Litheli is that they were all very simple to put together and all very self-explanatory to use. They do come with instructions, but they're pretty simple and straightforward. They all come with a charger and a battery, and they are interchangeable. So it's the same exact battery for all of them. So I could literally charge one battery and use it in each of the items. The first item I'm putting together is the blower, and this is going to be great for my mom's yard because she's going to be able to blow off her deck every time she has guests. If she wants to just give it a quick clean, it's a simple, just pop the battery in and blow off any dust or debris that's kind of collected on the patio. For some reason, I was actually very excited to use this one. I haven't really used a lawnmower, I don't think, in my entire life, so this was really fun. So I just had to put the handle on and then stick the battery inside of this little compartment. It has space for 2 batteries, but I only used one because her lawn is very small. But definitely, if you have a larger lawn, you could use 2 batteries. Push the button, pull the lever, and it starts. I love that it's so lightweight and easy to use. It feels like literally anybody can do this. So I felt very empowered by all of these yard tools. This one is great if you cut your own grass and you need something really simple and easy to store. It's perfect. Emptying it is pretty straightforward. You just literally pull the bag out, dump it, and then just reattach it. And I just dusted it off from all the debris and then pulled the battery out because I don't like to store things with the battery, and then just put it in the shed. And then the last piece I got from them was this power washer. It has a couple different attachments, one for like spraying soap, but I'm gonna use this little nozzle, which is just gonna be the straightforward water power washer. And then you just connect this hose to it, which connects to a filter, and this filter just gets placed into a bucket of water. At this point, the decking is not really in need of a power wash, but this cover definitely needs to be rinsed down, so I'm gonna sample it here. And you can see it just really cleans fast and well. And then also I wanted to show you guys, like, you could use it for things like this. Like, this is a really old bench, but this washes it right up. So we had these solar powered bistro lights. We're just putting these up. We already had them. I don't know where they're from. And then we had some also plug-in lights. These ones are just from Costco from my wedding years ago. I've just had them in storage, so we pulled them out. And a little dance party courtesy of my sister. And here's what these lights look like in the evening. So I shared these in my last video, and I'm going to show you. I hung these ones over the patio. So these are the ones we currently have up, which I love these because they're really easy to hang up. You don't have to worry about them breaking. They're waterproof and they're shapeable, which is great. And then they're also solar powered. So I just popped this thing onto the roof of the house. And yeah, they're really simple. And then they have a few different settings. So you could either have them like twinkling or whatnot. I really love the look of these because the wire is clear, so you don't really notice them much throughout the day, but at night they come on automatically and they're just so beautiful, and they like twinkle and they're just so cute and magical. So I have one more set of these that I did not hang up yet, so I'm going to put these behind the reed fencing so you can't see them during the day, but they'll pop at night. And yeah. So I'm just gonna turn them on. Oops. So they click, and that's how bright they are. These are the warm white ones. So I will link these down below in case you're curious. So they have different settings. So there's like a flashing one. Oops. There's another like twinkling setting. Another one where it like goes dim and then brighter. Whoa, that's a flashing one. I just want them to be regular. But that's kind of cute, like a little twinkling light. And there's the regular. So I think I'm just gonna hang them over this little fencing, just to give it a little light back here, because I don't like this light, so we're just gonna turn that off and maybe have some lights over here. So I really love these lights. I think it also could have worked with some curtain lights, which I think this company also sells. But since I had these already, I'm just going to use these. And I think they look great since they're shapeable. I can literally move them however I want them to be. And yeah, really easy, and adding just that little special touch of magic to this patio. Then I stopped at Home Depot to grab some of this Smart Patch, which is basically just for grass that has these like brown patches. So I'm just going to sprinkle this onto her grass. So per the instructions, it basically said to just loosen up the top layer of dirt, and then sprinkle the seed / mulch on top of the loosened up dirt. And obviously, if my niece is around, she's going to want to help. So there she is. After the seed was down, we just gave it a good soak and then cleaned up this side patio here. And that's pretty much it for the yard today. Hopefully this grass will grow in the next 14 days like it says on the bag. We could only hope. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Huge thank you to Litheli for sponsoring this video. I will link all of their products down below so that you can check them out. Also, I'm going to try to give you guys an update on how the grass is growing in. It said about 14 days, so I'm hoping by then grass will be sprouting and looking good. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already at Jasmine Douglas Designs. I'll put it right here. and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below. It helps my channel grow, and it is free to you to support my channel. So thank you so much. I love you guys. Keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one.